Hi folks, welcome back. I promised you a little while back a follow-up video, which I've tried to make a few different times, on why we're okay with the garden kind of dying back. And I mentioned the fact that we were pretty tired. Going to school, doing all that, it took a toll. Like, it really took a bigger toll on me than I thought it would. Everything's coming to the end of its season, and without soil testing, we have no idea how to amend our soil for the gardens. Also, there are plans in the works, which I won't mention right now because they're still in the works, like way far back, still in the works. But there are plans in the works to revise our garden strategy. We had a lot of problems this year with getting the water to where it needed to go, getting everything situated to where we can garden in as efficient a manner as possible. And it was really hard this year. First year gardens obviously are pretty hard anyway. We didn't have a lot of successes. The successes that we did have were very surprising ones. Like the tomatoes did amazing. The cucumbers did pretty well. The snow and sugar snap peas did really well. We had our first decent carrots out of the garden this year, and our first decent beets. Radishes did well in a few places, but not in others. So there's some things probably going on in the soil, and we'll be doing a soil test either this fall or winter. Probably. The latest we would do that would be this upcoming spring before we plant. So, we'll be doing soil testing. We'll be reorganizing how we've done our gardens. This first year, we had things all over the place. We had things in the front, over by the shop. We had things in the back, way in the back, and it was really, really hard. It was really challenging to get all of those things watered, fed, and cared for in an efficient manner. So I think we're going to condense some of that. Obviously the orchard is already planted. We won't be moving it, but I think the orchard will be fine once we get it established. So we look forward to having that part done and over with in the next year or two. I mean, obviously, you still have to care for an orchard, or you don't have an orchard because fire blight, scale, whatever, will destroy it. But we will be able to take care of it a little more efficiently as the years go on and the plants get their roots out and get started finding things in the soil. And that's pretty much it, you know, aside from the fact that everything has a season, and should we do fall planting? We may do a few things, but overall I think we're okay with letting things die back because we really need to amend the soil. We really need to take stock of what did and didn't do well and just re-strategize for next year. So, with that being the case, I'm looking forward to finishing out the harvest, removing the structures and reconfiguring those. And until next time, you guys, be safe, be well, and we'll see ya.